comes to writing a song and nothing else, do I have good grounds? I wonder because I'm neither loved nor am I a lover. For love gave me the power to love, and if I want to renounce it, also the power to do without it. And this is all the joy I'll ever have, that I can do as I wish, and he doesn't keep me imprisoned or forced. Never did she produce any love or pleasure for which I should be grateful to her. And how was I happy for her love? And if she gives me and then takes back the same thing she had given, it is normal that she loses the gratitude. Joy and sadness take residence in me in such a manner that I often both like and hate what you'll hear me sing. I like that it is my own will. Likewise, I have to hate that what I desire the most leaves me. Thus joy and sadness keep me now, in a way, balanced, neither too joyous nor too sad. Had she given me the gift that no woman can undo me, I don't think I'll ever see the time when she could as much as wish that I'd get a single kiss from her. And because of this, no more, no less, that she has merely claimed me as hers. She considers me rewarded. If my pride made it so, lady, that I failed you in any way, for mercy's sake, I beg you to forgive me, and that you do not renounce loving me, whom you hold in your power to do with exactly as you please. Lady of plain and true words, do not believe the savage slanderers. You have captured and bound my heart to do your will. To do your will. To do your will. Slanderers, I praise you more than her of which I'm fond, for she has driven me away, while you kindly have covered and hidden me.